All these clips I'm going to show you happened within 1 week. I know that they can happen to anyone at any point, but until you drive round with a roof box on, displaying L plates, you've got no real idea of how driving schools are actually treated. Yeah, that's all okay. What's going on? Who's got priority with this?
Me.
Okay, so we've got to be ready to give way, however, but we do have priority. Have a listen to it. Good. Now, Halford's van should wait, but he doesn't.
Yeah. He's like, I'm not out. Should any of these have...
Move now. They should have all waited.
Oh, yeah. Just got to put towels on.
So rather than following the rules, those 5 drivers thought, doesn't matter, it's only a learner, I'm going to go. This guy chooses a terrible place to park, and because he doesn't want to wait, he's going to make the learner wait instead. What makes this worse is that there was only 1 car following behind, and after that there was a huge big space. Nicely dealt with, mate.
I think that wound me up is the little thank you at the end of it, like I had an option. Back them in the road, yeah, thanks mate.
I know. Lights turning bright, please, mate. Think that had anything to do with driving school car? I'm going to pull out anyway, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Absolutely is. Well done, though, mate. Very good. I'm driving this time, and watch the Peugeot that's to my right hand side behind.
How about just uploading a nice pic? No, wait, I'm not ready. Hey, I love you from every angle. Now for the gifts. Oh, and flowers. Heartfelt can happen anywhere.
It's just started to signal left. They know where they want to go.
Lenders use your credit score when they decide whether to lend to you. That's why we make it really easy to check yours in our app. Absolutely free. To join over 1 million customers.
If you knew you were going to pull in, why did you overtake?
Because it always pays to know the score. Search NatWest app. NatWest, here to support you.
Credit score available once opted in through the app to customers.
I'm not sure whether it's the pressure to stick to timetables or in fact the driver just thought, I'm bigger, I'm going to go whenever I want. Yes. Hold back then, hold back, just stop then. Just stop. Good. Again, we had no choice. I think it's quite comical that people thank you when you don't have much choice. But when people pull out and they're driving a bigger vehicle, appreciate the extra room that they need, alright? With the traffic that was around us then, it wasn't really ideal for us to wait either, because there's a flow of traffic around, isn't there? Yeah. The most sensible option for flow and reduced risk would be for the bus to wait until there's enough room to do it. However, bus drivers are pressured far too much by their bus companies. And you will find that they do that. They sort of like barge the way out where otherwise they shouldn't really be doing it. So just appreciate that. Yeah. Always be ready to fix, always be ready to make the situation better rather than charging in there and making it worse like some people do. Alright? Well done. This is again me driving, and I'm on the way to pick up a pupil. The road's obviously pretty difficult, narrow, with cars on either side. So what I intend to do is when I see the lorry first of all in the far distance, I'm going to try and help out and wait at a space. And this is my space on the left before the red car. So the John Lewis lorry has flashed his lights and he's stopping. Now what I'd like you to do next though is have a good close look at what the driver actually does. He actually points towards the road on his left, on my right, and expects me to go in that road to accommodate him. Expect me to go round the other block because you can't be arsed steering? Seriously? Newly qualified drivers displaying P plates often get treated even worse than driving school vehicles. Are you seriously beeping them? They're beeping the P plate for doing the perfect thing. I think that's terrible. So back to my favourite saying. Would any of these incidents have happened if I'd have been, or the other learners had been, police vehicles? It's a simple answer. No, they wouldn't.